We see a big opportunity to take Rentrak's advanced demographics and put them in a linear workflow side by side with the traditional age gender. So somebody who used to only be able to guarantee on persons 18 to 49 could use Rentrak data to guarantee against household income 200K plus. To us, it's just another demographic. We see, the linear and the nonlinear workflows coming together. At some point, you'll be able to just buy a big bucket of impressions, and some of them will be delivered in 30-second spots, and some of them will be delivered one by one through dynamic ad insertion. For us, the key thing will be making it seamless to move liability between those two. And to make that happen, we really want to have unified measurement, and that could mean, again, someone like Rentrak taking what used to only be available in digital, making it available for linear, or the opposite, some of the linear measurement being available on digital. Having a common currency is critical for that. Our product, Dealmaker Digital, supports nonlinear selling of ads. We have APIs in the work with a number of ad decisioning platforms to be able to take an order and deliver it to any fulfillment system. So if you had one system that you're using for mobile insertion, one for set-top box insertion, you could have one buy, but break that campaign into separate orders to each of those separate fulfillment systems. To present it to your customer, you could have one view, one invoice, but behind the scenes, all that heavy lifting is done by us and our integrations with our partners. I think things are happening a lot faster on the consumer side than on the business side. I think the sellers of the media and the agencies really need to have that workflow worked out. After all, if the invoice can't be sent and paid, then the deal won't get done. You might have a few pilots here and there, but if people are producing orders in Excel and invoices in Excel, you're not going to get past the pilot stage. So I think for the agencies and their vendors and the networks and other sellers of media and their vendors like INVISION, we need to work closely together to make this happen. I think there'll likely be some consolidation. On the vendor side, there are a lot of vendors that have point solutions and maybe could work together instead of competing. There's a lot of work to be done as an industry, and there's only so much investment money going around. That would be my big prediction.